In this video, I'm going to go and make myself a coffee, and I will let the binder option robot run on the 5-second trade with Martingale, and let's see how much money I make within the time I make a coffee. If you also want to have this binder option robot yourself, you find link below the video and you can get this for free today for pocket option. Also, if you like this type of videos and you want to see what I'm making next, make sure you subscribe, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this and updates on this amazing pocket option robot. Sorry, it's 7 in the morning here. So with that, without further ado, let's start up and let's see how much money I can make while I make myself a coffee.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure.
And there you have it. In the time that I made a coffee, I made $35. And now, here's the thing. This is the new 5-second robot. You can see we got 100% win rate. Don't expect it to give you 100% win rate because it's more messy when it's a smaller timeline. But by the way, if you want more action, make sure you use the same bot that I used right now, the stochastic of the list that you did see, because it's the best on the 5-second and 15-second timeline. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next. Link below the video.